Denver, Colorado, convalescing veterans of the United States Air Forces, their battle wounds healed, go to work in a bomb factory where their mechanical skills are applied to the vast job of war production. No longer able to fight the enemy at the battlefront, these soldiers now do 6 hours work a day to make sure that their comrades still in action will have the supplies they need. Physically checked each day as they move toward permanent recovery from injury, the wounded airmen meanwhile make a vital contribution to the winning of the war.